Hey everyone, if you're getting a black screen in AnyDesk, can't see the remote desktop, or the screen stays blank after connecting, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help restore the display. First, disconnect and reconnect the remote session. Temporary display glitches can sometimes cause a black screen. Next, restart both the local and remote devices. Yeah, a simple reboot can solve many temporary display issues. Make sure the remote computer isn't sleeping or turned off. I mean, if the display is inactive, AnyDesk may show a black screen. Try disabling hardware acceleration. So, graphics compatibility problems can sometimes prevent the screen from rendering properly. Outdated graphics drivers can also cause display problems. Installing the latest drivers may fix the issue. Reduce the display quality inside AnyDesk. Yeah, lower quality settings can help if bandwidth or graphics resources are limited. Sometimes antivirus programs or firewalls interfere with remote sessions. Temporarily disabling them can help identify the problem. Make sure both devices are using the latest version of AnyDesk. I mean, updates often include fixes for display-related bugs. If the black screen issue continues, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely, so a fresh installation can repair corrupted components. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support for additional help. They may be able to identify deeper graphics or compatibility issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk black screen issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.